Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to make a catching game in Scratch. We will delete this cat and go to our sprites. We will choose a bowl. We will type here bowl. We don't need a fish bowl. We need a bowl. Here we go. Now let's choose an apple. That it has something to catch. I will type here apple. We have an apple. Now let's choose a backdrop. I will choose a backdrop as a boardwalk. Now we are done. Let's put this here and this to the top as 180. Set y to 180. Oopsie. The bowl is up. So we will first get the apple size to 60 and then put this size to 180. Enter. Now it's above. Now let's go to the coding. We will first when flag clicked, go to this position. Go foreverly moves here and there. We will take two if then, and inside them we will do once left and right arrow key pressed. We will go to the setting and when space key pressed, one over here, one over here. Now let's put this to the right and the downer ones to the left. Now let's make them move. We will go and change x by 10. But we don't need this line. We will set it to 5 and duplicate this. Here. Now let's put it to -5. Now let's go to that. We will do when flag clicked. Now we will do foreverly. Now in that we will do if. Now let's go to the motions. We will do change y by set y by -5. But wait, change y by -5. -5 here. Now let's we did a wrong one, so we will get this in the forever. Now let's put this forever in the when flag clicked. Now we will do here. Now we will go to the operators. We will do the smaller sign. We will type here -170. Enter. Now let's go to the motion and select here Y position from here. Now let's do the inside one. Let's go to the go to random position. We also want it to fall down. So we will go to set y by y to 180. Now we will take when flag clicked again. Foreverly if touching the bowl. Forever. If touching the bowl, it will go back to this place. And we will go to the variables and make a variable as score. Here we go. Now let's go to the operators. I mean setting. Now let's go touching the mouse pointer. We don't need this mouse pointer touching, so I will do the bowl. Now Now let's do the inside coding. If touching the mouse, change score by 1. That it increases the score. Now let's choose a sound as collect. We will go to the choose a sound and type here collect. Collect. Now here. Now let's go to the code. Let's put the sound under the change score by 1. Now let's do the downer. Go to motions and go to random position and set Y by 180 here. Now let's go down and choose if. Now we will go to the operators. We will type here, we will do is equal to, and minus, we will type here minus 140. Enter. Now let's put over here as mist. First we have to make a variable as mist. Now we have a variable as mist. Now we will put this mist over here. Now if mist, change mist by 1 and go to random position. Let it go back. Go to random position and change Y by 180. Now let's go down. In this if, we will put one more if here. Now let's go is equal to, go to operators and pick this. We will type here as 5. We will go to the variables and pick mist over here. Alright, now let's put it over here. Now if it's done, now let's go to the backdrops and choose the backdrop. We will delete this white backdrop and choose a backdrop as chalkboard. We will type here as game over. I will choose the color to red. Now I will type it as game over. Now let's get the size bigger. So make sure that it's not touching the curtains. I will move it over here and choose italic color. I will choose curly here. Now let's go to the code and go to the apple. First we will go to the events and broadcast. Broadcast as height. Now let's go down. Now we also want it to be next backdrop as game over. So we will go to the looks with next backdrop and also hide it. Now let's put this hide over here. We also wanted to show it, so we will go up and show it. Now there is one more coding. We will go. We don't need this so to be here. We will delete this and put one more events. So we will go to the events and put one more when flag clicked. Now we wanted to change the backdrop to its one. I will choose as boardwalk. It's the first backdrop. So now I will go to the variables and set everything to 0. I will get the upper one to the score and go to the render position and set to y by 180. Now I wanted to be show bow. Now we will put this hide over. I don't want it to be hide in the first, so I will remove this hide from here to here. Now let's put this variable back. Now I want it to when he received hide. Now go to the control and stop all. We will go to the backdrops and when he received hide, it will play the sound as loose. We will go to the sounds and delete this. Go to the sound as loose. Now let's go to the sound. Start play sound loose until done. Now let's play it. It increases the score when it touches the bowl. And we want it to go to missed by 1. We will go down, change missed by 1. We will put this missed away and put it as Y position. We will put this over here. Now let's play it. When it touches the ball, it increases the score. And when it touches down and go to the Y position, 140 minus 140, it will goes. Missed 5. It changes the backdrop and game over. So this was the video I want to show you today. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and don't forget to share. Bye bye.